Hi, it's Ryan Hampton again, and I want to thank you for checking out my first video if you did, and reading a little bit about me and why I'm running to be a DNC delegate. This isn't just about being a delegate to the convention for me. I got involved shortly after I was able to enter recovery, thank goodness for Medicaid in 2015 and 2016, because I lost a lot of friends of mine, people that I cared about, people that I loved in my community, roommates of mine, to preventable drug overdoses. One particular friend of mine, Nick, had a recurrence of use, a relapse, and was searching for help. He so badly wanted help. He so badly wanted treatment, but he didn't have the privilege of health care. He didn't have the privilege of a PPO insurance. He was afraid to talk to his job because he knew that they would fire him if he told them about the condition that he was in. He had no family to lean on, and he went to a hospital in 2016 and asked for help. And he was told there was no room there for him. They sent him home that night on his way with a piece of paper with a bunch of 800 numbers that he could call if he was willing to the next day. And sadly, Nick died that night of an overdose. My friend who I cared about died while in the process of seeking help. I shared that story with Vice President Biden a couple of months ago, and I told him that the reason that I was getting involved in 2020 wasn't just to talk politics, but it was to bring Nick's story and the story of so many others to the table, because there is so much that we need to do and so much that we can do to help support these marginalized populations, and particularly to push for healthcare for those who don't have access to it. That's why I want to be the DNC delegate, to carry their stories to the convention this summer, but also to push to get Vice President Biden not just nominated, but elected, so that we can end the addiction and mental health crisis for good